Check it out, guys. Are you guys Squishmallows fans? Check this out. My daughter absolutely loves Squishmallows. This is a Squishmallows heating pad, guys. Let me show you how to use it. Check it out, y'all. Y'all pull out the pouch. That goes right there. Then you heat it in the microwave for a minute. And you put it back in here. And then I'm going to show you guys. And then you can hug it to help with your cramps or whatever, guys. And then you guys put it back in here. Close this. Just like so. Then, guys, you can just put it on you. Cuddle like a heating pad. Guys, I'll put the link below. Get one of these. They're so cute and adorable. Your kids, your girlfriend, anyone would love them.